Need our houses. It's 3 years and we're not waiting any longer.
We not waiting.
We not waiting.
We not waiting. We not waiting.
Letters were sent to the office of the Prime Minister and as usual, no response.
No response.
So we're also calling.
Good day, this is Jamaica News Now, your trusted source for the stories shaping Jamaica today. Thank you for joining us. We begin with major developments from West Kingston, where Member of Parliament Desmond McKenzie is urging calm after a fatal police shooting that has sparked fresh concerns among residents. We also examine new criminal charges filed against a St. Thomas man in connection with an alleged incident involving 2 teenage girls. Those are just some of the stories making headlines today. Stay with us as we bring you the facts, the context, and the latest developments from across the island. This is Jamaica News Now, and the news starts right now. West Kingston MP urges calm after police shooting incident. Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond McKenzie, is urging residents to remain calm following a police fatal shooting in the constituency, stressing that the matter must be allowed to proceed through the appropriate legal process. McKenzie said while emotions are understandably high, justice must be allowed to take its course and all the facts surrounding the incident should be established through an independent investigation. At the same time, the veteran parliamentarian expressed concern over reports from residents that the man who was shot before 6 a.m. remained on the ground for an extended period before being removed. McKenzie said those claims have caused significant distress within the community and should not be dismissed. He maintained that, as the area's elected representative, he has a responsibility to listen to residents' concerns and ensure their voices are heard. Minister McKenzie rejected any suggestion that he interfered with the police investigation, emphasizing that his presence at the scene was solely to respond to calls from his constituents seeking assistance and information.
But when people complain about a man being shot from before 6 a.m. and after 6 o'clock, the police still have him on the ground, not taking him to the hospital. As the member of parliament, I could not, and I will never allow things like that to pass without intervening in a situation like that.
He reiterated that determining the circumstances surrounding the fatal shooting is the responsibility of the relevant investigative authorities and urged the public to allow those investigations to proceed while preserving peace and order in the community. St. Thomas man faces sexual offences and firearm charges after alleged guest house incident. A St. Thomas man who was allegedly attacked by 2 teenage girls at a guest house in Morant Bay on July 5th has now been charged with multiple sexual offences and firearm-related crimes. The charges follow an investigation by the police into the circumstances surrounding the incident, which initially drew public attention after reports emerged that the man had been assaulted by the teenagers. Investigators alleged that their inquiries uncovered evidence leading to several criminal charges against the accused, including sexual-related offences as well as breaches of the Firearms Act. The police have not disclosed the full details of the allegations, citing the sensitive nature of the case and the involvement of minors. Authorities are continuing their investigations to determine the full sequence of events. The accused is expected to appear before the court to answer the charges, where the allegations will be tested through the judicial process. Reggae artist Fantan Mojah dies at 49. Jamaican reggae artist Fantan Mojah has died at the age of 49, prompting an outpouring of tributes from fans, fellow musicians, and members of the reggae fraternity. According to reports, the Rastafarian singer passed away on Tuesday evening at the University Hospital of the West Indies in Kingston after suffering complications relating to his art. Born Owen Moncrief, Fantan Mojah rose to prominence in early 2000s with his spiritually driven roots reggae sound and conscious lyrics. He became widely known for songs including Hail the King, Stronger, and Corruption, earning a reputation as one of Jamaica's leading voices in modern conscious reggae. Throughout his career, his music prompted themes of faith, social justice, unity, and Rastafarian principles, building a loyal following both in Jamaica and internationally. News of his passing has been met with widespread expressions of grief across the music industry, with tributes highlighting his contribution to reggae and his unwavering commitment to conscious music. Fantan Mojah leaves behind a catalogue of songs that resonated with audiences around the world and helped cement his place among Jamaica's influential reggae artists. HAJ to update prospective homeowners on stalled Hellshire View development. The Housing Agency of Jamaica says it will soon provide a comprehensive update to prospective homeowners awaiting progress on the stalled Hellshire View housing development in St. Catherine. The agency's announcement comes amid growing concern from applicants who have been seeking clarity on the future of the project following prolonged delays. According to the HAJ, work is underway to prepare detailed information on the status of the development, including the factors contributing to the delays and the steps being taken to move the project forward. The agency said it recognizes the frustration experienced by prospective homeowners and is committed to keeping them informed as efforts continue to address outstanding issues affecting the development. The HAJ has urged applicants to await the official update, which is expected to outline the project's current position and the timeline for the next phase of works. The agency reaffirmed its commitment to delivering affordable housing solutions across Jamaica and said transparent communication with the affected applicants remains a priority as it works to advance the Hellshire View development. If you found this report informative, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Jamaica News Now, and turn on notifications so you never miss a breaking story or major national development. We also want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on today's headlines in the comments. Which story do you think will have the biggest impact on Jamaica? Thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care of one another, and join us again for the latest breaking news and in-depth reports from across the island. Good day, and God bless Jamaica. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.